Many of the houses you see on the left aren't just 1 or 2 stories. In reality, they are 20 to 30-story buildings, and we are only seeing the top floor of them in the valleys. Yes, you heard that right. Luxury apartments priced between $250,000 and $500,000. And stunning villas that cost upwards of $1 or even $2 million. Contrary to the common perception, fueled by fake news in some international media, many Iranians are highly successful and wealthy. They have a deep passion for luxurious lifestyles and are willing to spend significantly on it. Take this breathtaking mountain road, for example. Winding through the majestic Alborz mountain range, it has attracted the attention of billionaires and millionaires. They have invested heavily here, building luxurious apartments and lavish villas in these serene and scenic mountain retreats. These properties are not just homes. They are exclusive havens, chosen by the elite as summer escapes from Tehran's heat or weekend getaways for social gatherings and private parties. The cost? They spare no expense to enjoy the ultimate luxury and tranquility. And just a short drive away lies the picturesque region of Meygon, a jewel of fashion in northern Tehran. Meygon is renowned for its cool climate, even in the hottest months, and its lush green landscapes. In winter, the snowy peaks add a magical touch, making it a year-round destination. Visitors enjoy hiking, picnics, and exploring traditional villages that showcase the area's rich heritage. Meygon's unique charm and proximity to Tehran have made it a hotspot for premium real estate, further solidifying its status as a luxury haven in Iran. So, whether it's for the breathtaking views, the fresh mountain air, or the allure of opulence, this region never fails to captivate. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
to get to know me better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you You said there ain't no